Hey, it's Gabriel here. This is pretty cool. I just want to share this with you. I mentioned in another video that Black Card sends gifts every time you get a new Black Card when your old one expires. They have this really cool thing of sending you a gift. And in the last video, I talked about getting some Ray-Ban sunglasses, a really nice business pen, and I'm curious as to what this gift is here. So I'm going to open it up with one hand holding the actual camera and see what we have in this box. I apologize for the movement of the camera, but let's see what we have here. Okay, so they call the Black Card now the actual luxury card. I really like that. That's cool. All right, so it looks like we got a really nice box. I'll just dump it down here. Let's see what's in this really cool box here. What does that stand for? I haven't seen that symbol or logo before. Okay. All right, so let's see. What is this? What is this? Oh, stop. A watch? Are you kidding me? I mean, a beautiful Swiss Army watch. That is too cool. Black Card knows how to do it. All right. So that's my reveal, how Black Card treats you when you renew or get the actual replacement card for when one expires and you get the next. This time they gave me a beautiful Swiss Army watch.